Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to show internet speed on Windows 10 taskbar. If you want to show internet speed on Windows 10 taskbar, here I will show you how you can add the network meter into the taskbar. For that we need a third-party application named 𝗦𝗵𝗵𝗶𝗿𝘁. You can download from internet, it's completely free. If you already downloaded the application and getting this error message, then this guide will also help you. Okay, right click on it and go to properties. Then click on compatibility. Then change settings for all users. Now checkmark on run this program in compatibility mode. Click on apply and OK. Now run the application. Click on browse and press Ctrl+C to copy the following path. Now the installation has been done. Paste the path into the address bar on File Explorer and hit enter on your keyboard. Pin up the application to the taskbar. Now run the application. Select your default network interface from the list. If we notice on the taskbar, there is our newly added network speed monitor. If you want to configure the text size, right click on it and configuration. Click on layout. Set your font size as your needs. Click on apply and OK. It's done. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to comment down below and I will try to answer. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you at the next one. Goodbye.